Hi everyone, I'm Tris, a tech enthusiast, and today we are going to explore how to start an automatic watch business. Let me ask you something bold. What if the next life-changing business opportunity is not in technology or real estate or e-commerce? What if it's hiding in plain sight right on the street in every city, in every developing country, where millions of cars and motorbikes get dirty every single day? And yes, almost everywhere you look, you are still what they always. But guess who's? A few workers squeezed under the sun, customer waiting, complaining, losing patience. Here is the truth. The automatic watch business is still wide open. And today, I'm not just going to tell you how to start one. I'm going to show you why this industry is the perfect storm of demand, innovation, and profits, and why if you move first, you could own the future. Let's start with the role play. If you have ever owned or even visited a manual workshop, you know the struggle. Workers are unreliable. Some don't show up. Others leave after payday. Customers are impatient. They don't like waiting 20 to 30 minutes for a watch. Quality is inconsistent. One day, the car sparkles. The next, the customer is back complaining about the shrink. Costs keep rising. Waste, water, chemical, electricity, it all eats away at profits. But the biggest pain is invisible. It is the lost opportunity. The hundreds of cars and thousands of bikes passing by every single day, not stopping at your shop. Why? Because they know it's slow, messy, and unreliable. And here, what nobody tells you. In many developing countries, the motorbike is the beating heart of the transportation. Millions are on the road every single day. Yet, almost none of them experience a modern, professional watch. That is the huge gap. And in business, a gap this big is nothing less than an invitation. Now let's flip the script. Customers are changing. People today live faster, busier live. They want speed, inconvenience, and consistency. They are used to ordering food in minutes, shopping online with one click, and streaming entertainment instantly. So when it comes to watching their motorbike, do you think they will keep accepting 30 minutes wait and mediocre result? No chance. This is why in cities around the world, automatic watches are exploding. They are faster, they are more reliable, they are inexperienced. In many markets like Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, the demand is even bigger because there are almost no competition. Imagine being the first automatic watch owner in your entire city. Customers won't just come to you. They will line up, they will take video, they will market your business for free. So how do you actually start an automatic watch business? Step 1. Market scan. Look around. Where's the traffic? Where do car and motorbike cluster? Supermarket, school, office stores, busy intersection. This is a goal. Step 2. Space and setup. For bike, just around 30 to 50 square meters, and for car, 250 square meters can work. What matters most is easy access and good visibility. Customers should see and decide instantly. I will stop here. Step 3. Choose the right machine. This is where most people fail. They buy cheap, generous equipment. But if you are serious about export-ready, proven solution, you need machine built for your market. Go&Go, for example, design systems specifically for motorbike-heavy countries, machines that handle most dirt, rain, tropical climate. And yes, they will design for global export, so you can launch everywhere in the world with full support. Step 4. Service and branding. Don't just sell a watch. Sell an experience. Create a package. Quick ring, deep clean, wash, even helmet cleaning. Each option is an upsell. Each upsell is profit. Step 5. Marketing. This is the fun part. Automatic watch sell themselves. Show video on the machine in action, burst spinning, form slowing, water blasting. People love it. Is it modern? Is it different? Is it desirable? When you launch, make it a spectacle. Invite influencer. Offer free watch for the first day. Create buzz. Remember, you are not just opening a watch shop, you are introducing your city to the future. Now let's address the elephant in this room. What if I fail? What if customers don't come? Here is the truth. The risk is not starting. The risk is waiting. Because every day you hesitate, someone else could take the lead, and when they do, they will own the market. There will be no as the first authentic watch. You will be another follower. Let me be clear. The machines are not experimental. They are proven. They are used worldwide. They come with training, support, and warranty. You are not jumping into the unknown. You are stepping into a business model that is already winning globally. Now zoom out. You are no longer just a small business owner. You are the pioneer of the new industry in your country. The one who dared to move first. The one often known look up to. So here my final question. Are you ready to stop competing with low-margin manual shop and start leading the future for business? Are you ready to become the name people remember, the first to bring optic watching to your city? Are you ready to own a business that runs smoothly, consistently, and profitably, even while you sleep? Then this is your moment. Connect with Go&Go today to explore export-ready machine for your country. Subscribe to the channel for more business insight and real-world strategy. And share this video with someone who's bold enough to dream bigger. Because this is not just about watching car or bike. It is about rewriting what is possible. It is about turning everyday problems into extraordinary opportunities. It is about you becoming the pioneer your city has been waiting for. The question is simple. Will you start an authentic watch business, or will you watch someone else claim the future? Go&Go invite you to come directly to the factory to visit and check the machine before ordering.